Hey, welcome back. Here we're going to do another Dutch pour. Again, attempting to please a 4-year-old because this is her canvas. But it's always funny. I go to Michael's or something. If I have her with me, she's always wanting to grab stuff. It's like, this is mine. So here we are. This is her color scheme. So like a violet color, some turquoise, um, some pinks, and a dark purple. So we'll see how this turns out. So for the most part, all my paints are mixed 2-to-1 ratio, Floetrol to paint with a splash of water just to get it equal consistencies throughout all the paints. However, that top color pink, it's a color art color, so I did use vivid enamel for that. So I don't know how that will. It's probably not gonna work out the way I want it to work out, but I told her I would use it, so we'll see how it goes. For the most part, I mean, this is going to be, after I get it blowed out, it will be a lot of getting blown out manually. Really don't know which way to go. Right now, I'm liking this left side getting blown out. Let's see how the right side turns out. I'm trying to not go as fast. I'm trying to think about how I want to move the paint. So I hope everybody's doing good. Been doing a little bit more Shelly art stuff. It's been fun. Getting a lot better at it. Really enjoying the spinner on those. For the most part, I'm liking sort of how this is turning out on this right side. Only thing I don't like is, if you can tell, like you can see it's like in stripes almost, whereas the left side it really didn't do that. It blended a little bit better, and it's more likely just due to the fact of the way I was holding the blow dryer. So I'll blow it out a little bit and then I'll cut it out just because this is pretty much the boring part in my opinion. Just trying to blow it out, fill a little bit of the negative space. I'm going to try to blend in the stripy parts on the right side so that it doesn't look so stripes. Here's a closer up shot. Hope y'all enjoyed the short video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't already.